right. Come on, Levi. Come on, Levi. Let's go get the stuff. Come on, Levi. Stay by me. Stay by me. Oh, goodness. Yep. All right, there's all that. And here's a key. So what do we do? Never did this before. So this is A. All right. Come on, Levi. Come on, Levi.
Yeah, I know. Because I left this wall here. Because here's the thing. If we get this down, then you can turn around
Yeah.
on both sides. On both sides.
Look at this stuff.
Because we're going to take this down too. Eventually.
I can do it now. I can rip into it now. Yeah. You had your most water was there.
Just one. Well, that would have been that sink.
Yeah, that was everything was just butt jointed up. It wasn't really attached at all.
Oh, the boards?
No, that
Plumbing?
yeah, the plumbing pipe.
Yeah, see, I want to try to get it in here somehow.
Yeah, I don't see why you can't cut into that metal. Man,
Well-
it sure is scary in case you came here and put in a cabinet.
Uh-huh. I'm almost wondering about taking a 2x4 and ripping it in half and screwing it on here.
All right.
Everything
Pools.
is a hole in the wire.
Check them
There's a
out.
lizard right in it. Oh, they do look like that one.
So you gotta, where's the screws?
They're in there. Those
Got
work?
them ones you can cut?
No,
Damn it.
we are. I won't know if the screws work until I actually get into it.
Yeah, it's
one of
okay.
them I need to be 3/4 and the other one needs to be 2.25.
Well, you should be able to use them. Let's see. Yeah, I think they're going to be just fine. They'll be just fine. What else do we got here? Installing new cabinet handles. Measure to where you like to mount your handles. Measure two opposing marks on the extended half. 3/16 drill bit. Align your new handle. Repeat steps 1 through 4. And then here you can cut them. Measure your screw for proper length. Make a dent where you need it to break. Clamp firmly on both sides. Then the screw will break off. And there's some shorter ones. There's some long ones. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to use all the long ones. Maybe not so much in the door. That's probably all you need. Let's see. Yeah. So let's see Yeah, I think they're gonna be just fine. Perfecto. So, chick, chick, chick. Yeah. All right, perfecto. Not returning, but that's cool. Look at that, Amazon got resealable bag. Now I got my driver's license in with my new address on there. And we got a lot of mail from the previous people that lived here. Looks like a bunch of junk. But anyway, boing.
It's gotta have a designated one for water heater.
That looks
Yeah, I'll get all that figured out.
a shame. Little skeleton of a lizard.
Alright, I gotta go through this package and get back here. I got a Granite guy coming at 4, and the other guy said he'll come anytime I want him to.
They're in there.
And I'm gonna
I
try to
need you
bring
to
him.
show me where I'm gonna put it, but
What?
because I might want them different than you want.
Oh, see?
Still look a little crooked?
I don't think so. Well,
Well, I think it's the wall behind it's making it look like it.
that's all right. All right. So this is going to be the washer, dryer, laundry room with the water heater. Gonna run all the new water lines in the wall down here. So yeah, gonna make some progress today. And he put this door in.
It is like,
It's not a big open gap.
you're gonna keep like,
Looks good. The laundry room. Got a door on it. It's all cleaned out. Ready for drywall. Cabinets are in there. We had a couple Granite guys come give us bids. That thing's got to move. We got to move that around to the corner. That's going to be our outdoor patio area. Outdoor kitchen. Outdoor kitchen area. There you go. Brick paved. It'll be nice.
say now you can get the vacuum cleaner. This is where they have that bolt. And then the cord.
Nope. I can do that hand tightening thing if you want me to.
Yeah.
On the video. Go on over here. Because we got the Granite guy. Got big wheels. And this is really nice. So you can put a light under that, and the light shines through the stone, and it looks really pretty. So this one's called Indian Statuario. Indian Statuario, maybe. But yeah. So that's one of the stones we're looking at for the cabinets. We got a microwave that we will be installing right there in that little vicinity, and hopefully it will fit all right. Got some bids for the countertops. Got some more stuff from Amazon for myself. That's nice. That's nice, Levi. And the laundry room. It's coming together. Got that gap closed off. Painting.
We're gonna have nothing to nail this way.
Right. I mean, you would have to
I
hit
see what
every
you're saying.
joint, but it's better to,
Yeah.
because you'll have a gap.
Yeah, as long as
There's
it's
a-
not over 8 foot was my biggest deal.
Oh, this is 95.5 anyway.
Yeah.
So,
So
I
you ain't even
figure
gotta rip it that much. If you just get it to go up,
you take an inch off of it
yeah.
before we can have a nailer there.
Yep.
And you want to keep them up like that because anything else will sag.
Well, think about it, because my ceiling will be 1/2 inch, so that's gonna take a 1/2 inch. Ceiling goes up first, so that'll take a 1/2 inch. So yeah, you take a inch and a half off it and go up, that'll work perfect.
Well,
Then it'd
I
be-
can only take this so much because I can't. I have to nail into this because everything else will be that metal.
Okay, it's not doubled up there?
Mm-mm.
Okay, yeah.
No, that thing it was just like that.
Well, you can toenail into the sides. But, all I'm saying is you got a 1/2 inch on the ceiling, and then this is gonna come up. So if you went, what were you saying, an inch?
2 weeks, yeah.
Yeah, that goes in there.
And where would I go?